Good day everyone, my name is Shaira A. De La Cruz from 1HF. Today, we're going to cook salted chicken with tomatoes and mushroom. The ingredients we need, first is white onion, garlic, mushroom, bell pepper, tomatoes, and chicken, paprika, pepper, and salt, and white wine. So, let's start. First, we need to marinate the chicken with paprika, black pepper, and salt.
And mix.
After 15 minutes, let's fry the chicken. And next, add the onion. Garlic. A little bit salt. Tomatoes. Bell peppers. Mushrooms. Flour. White wine. Lastly, add the chicken stocks. And mix.